Hello dear friends, and once again I welcome all of you in the series of Basic English Grammar. Yes, today here we are ready once again a new topic of the tense, and that is future continuous tense. Yes, today we are going to talk about an action which will be continuously going on, yes, at the particular or the specific time of future. भविष्य काळातली एखादी क्रिया जी चालू आहे किंवा चालू राहील असे सांगण्यासाठी या काळाचा वापर केला जातो. सो विदाउट टेकिंग मच टाइम लेट अस टॉक अँड लेट अस टर्न टुवर्ड्स फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. फॉर व्हॉट पर्पज इट इज यूज्ड. यस, फ्युचर कंटिन्युअस टेन्स इट इज यूज्ड टू शो an action that will be going on in the specific time of future. Once again, it is used to show an action which will be going on in the specific time of the future. Isn't it? An action which will be progressive somewhere in the future or in a particular time of future. To count that action, the proper future continuous tense, it is used. Let us translate into the regional language. अशी एखादी क्रिया जी भविष्य काळामध्ये एका विशिष्ट वेळेमध्ये चालू असेल असे दाखवण्यासाठी किंवा असे सांगण्यासाठी या काळाचा वापर केला जातो. Yes, therefore let us check out what is the common formula of future continuous tense. Here is the formula: subject plus shall oblique will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object plus complement. Once again, subject plus shall oblique will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and complement. Now let us talk about the different example of the future continuous tense. How the future continuous tense, yes, we have used through the different example in front of 10 different subjects. Yes, let us check out. We are going to talk at very first about first person singular and plural. Next, we are going to talk about second person singular as well as plural, and as it is here in this corner, the third person singular and the plural case. Yes, how to use the formula of future continuous tense in front of them. Let us see. First person singular and plural, and the subjects are oblique we plus shall plus be plus main verb with ing plus object plus complement. Read once again. I oblique we plus shall plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and complement. Read it. Yes, sometimes subject are or we in front of them. Right, we have seen and we have learned in front of first person singular and in front of first person plural we have to apply shall or will, isn't it? And therefore the examples for these two subjects, isn't it? I shall be writing an essay, isn't it? Place is limited, therefore complement we haven't used, but in place of complement we can use tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or to, yes, in the next week or in the next month. For example, I shall be writing an essay tomorrow, or I shall be writing an essay in the next week. Next is we shall be playing volleyball. As it is, we shall be playing volleyball at the same time tomorrow. Isn't it? Yes, an action which will be progressive in the specific time of the future. For that action we are using future continuous tense. भविष्य काळातली अशी क्रिया जी त्या विशिष्ट वेळेमध्ये चालू असेल असे सांगण्यासाठी याचा वापर केला जातो. Now let us turn our attention towards second person singular and plural. Read it. You, it is used for singular as well as the plural case. And therefore, yes, you oblique you plus will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and plus complement. Isn't it? Yes, examples are you will be singing a song. isn't it? You will be singing a song tomorrow or somewhere in the future, and you will be running a race, isn't it? In plural case, many students are there or many people are there. Yes, tomorrow at the same time you all people will be running a race. द्वितीय पुरुषी एकवचनी बद्दल बोलताना yes, you plus will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and complement. Now let us talk about the third person singular and the plural cases. We know better he, she and it. These three subjects, they are known as third person singular. And how the formula of future continuous tense it is applicable. Let us check out. He oblique she oblique it or they plus will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and complement. Yes, examples are he will be reading a storybook, isn't it? An action of reading a storybook that will be continuously going on in the specific time of future. भविष्य काळामध्ये कुठेतरी किंवा भविष्य काळामध्ये यस त्याच्याकडे ते पुस्तक वाचलं जाईल किंवा तो पुस्तक वाचत असेल यस असा त्याचा अर्थ या ठिकाणी. सी विल बी सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग, isn't it? Right present, she is practicing how to sing a song, but in future she will be singing a song. Next is it will be planting a plant, isn't it? A plant, and therefore it will be planting a plant. Once again through the formula we can verify the example, isn't it? It, he, she, it plus will plus be plus main verb with ing and plus object. Next, the plural case of third person singular, and we know it they, and therefore in front of they once again the helping verb for future tense we have to use will. They will be playing football tomorrow or they will be playing football somewhere in future. Next is Rahul will be driving a car and Radha will be listening a song. Indeed, friends, today we are talking about an action which will be continuously going on in the specific time of future. भविष्य काळातल्या अशा क्रियेबद्दल आज आपण बोलतोय जी भविष्य काळामध्ये एका विशिष्ट वेळेमध्ये किंवा वेळेपुरती चालू असेल किंवा ती कंटिन्युअसली जात असेल. And therefore, let us try to recollect what we have done today through the future continuous tense. Once again, future continuous tense, it is used to show an action which will be continuously going on in the specific time of the future. The formula for future continuous tense it is subject plus shall oblique will plus be plus main verb with ing plus object and plus complement. Yes, the variation of the word we have used and we have practiced in front of the different subject. I shall be playing cricket tomorrow, or we will be yes running a race tomorrow or somewhere in the future. Indeed, the same formula it is applicable hardly sometime shall or sometime will. Yes, that is known as the two helping words. They are necessary to use in future continuous tense. I hope through this video you might have understood how to use the formula and how to make different sentences of future continuous tense. Thank you and have a nice day.